So here we are looking at three views of the large intestine. This one is the most zoomed out, this is middle amount of zoom, and this is the most zoomed in. So the defining feature of the large intestine is the presence of many goblet cells. So all these little white round circles here are goblet cells, and they're in the tunica mucosa along with that simple columnar epithelium. So all these purple nuclei are the nuclei of simple columnar epithelium, and then you can see the cytoplasm of those cells here. So here's the tissue is simple columnar epithelium, and these white cells are goblet cells, and their function is to secrete mucus. So now that we know those goblet cells are there, we go to the middle power and we see, oh, what cell is that pointer on? Goblet cell. What is its function? To secrete mucus. What layer is it found in? Tunica mucosa. So in order to ask you goblet cells, kind of pretty much at least need to be on this power in order for the goblet cells to be clear. So if you see a view that looks like this, the organ is large intestine, the cell that the pointer is on is the goblet cell, the function of the goblet cell is to secrete mucus, and the layer that the pointer is on is tunica mucosa. And then we go over here to the zoomed out view, and now you can see all the layers of the large intestine. So this purple layer is where all those goblet cells and simple columnar epithelium from the previous views would be found. And then right after that you see this faint pink line right here, like somebody took a brush to it. That's that muscularis mucosae structure. And then here all this orange, that layer is the tunica submucosa. And then the layer after that is the tunica muscularis, and then right after that is the tunica serosa. So what tissue is found in the tunica mucosa right here, lining the lumen of the large intestine? That's going to be that simple columnar epithelium, and there's many goblet cells there. And then what structure is this? Muscularis mucosae. What's its tissue? Smooth muscle. Then what layer is this? Tunica submucosa. What's its tissue? Connective tissue. What layer is this? Tunica muscularis. What's its tissue? Smooth muscle. And then outside here, the layer is the tunica serosa.